Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us today for this video. All right, this video is going to be a little bit different. There's really not going to be any coding that we're going to do. Instead, we're going to talk about paths, which is to say where our modules are located so that the programs can find them. Now, in the last video, you'll see that I actually had to fiddle around with the path using ancient DOS commands so I could get it to the right directory so that when I executed the module by itself, it would run. All right. So bottom line is the program is going to look in a couple of different places. Its first place it's going to look is in the directory where your code is, where you're running it. And if it's not there, it's going to go to this default place, Python path, where all the other modules are stored for like anything that we might add in to the thing, like if we're doing a print statement. Okay, there's a module for that, and that module is in the Python path. Okay, so it goes right there. But anyway, enough talking. Let's go ahead and read this section of the manual, and then we're going to go ahead and talk a little bit more about this. All right, let's begin.
Python Training Video 31. The module search path. When a module named spam is imported, the interpreter first searches for a built-in module with that name. If not found, it then searches for a file named spam.py in a list of directories given by the variable sys.path. Sys is initialized from these locations. The directory containing the input script, or the current directory when no file is specified. Python path, a list of directory names with the same syntax as the shell variable path. The installation dependent default. Note: on file systems which support symlinks, the directory containing the input script is calculated after the symlink is followed. In other words, the directory containing the symlink is not added to the module search path. After initialization, Python programs can modify sys.path. The directory containing the script being run is placed at the beginning of the search path, ahead of the standard library path. This means that scripts in that directory will be loaded instead of modules of the same name in the library directory. This is an error unless the replacement is intended. See section Standard Modules for more information.
Okay, so that's going to actually finish it for this video. I've got the little path down here where the Python path apparently is, and or isn't, I don't know. And before we log off, I want to let you know that it's okay to be a little confused about all of this. It's okay, because what's going to happen is as you get more experience programming, this will become much more interesting for you as far as where the little bits and pieces are all located at. Okay, but for right now, all you need to know is that this is out there and that you can always come back and rewatch the video if you have some questions. And then there's always the internet. You can do some searches on your own. Anyway, with that, we're going to finish this video, and we'll see you in the next one.